We are going to talk about how to make money with the top 5 beauty affiliate programs. So I'm going to be going over 5 different beauty affiliate programs that will pay you to recommend their products. I'm going to be talking about big brands such as Sephora and Amazon and Les Occitans de Provence, and telling you exactly how much money you can expect to earn by recommending each of these companies' products. Beauty is a great industry to market because, let's face it, everybody's trying to be a bit more beautiful. Everybody has insecurities and self-esteem problems, and they want to find ways to spend money to make themselves more beautiful. So we have an awesome market to go into, and we have some really big brands in this market that you can take advantage of and market. Now, the first brand I'm going to start with is something, if you live out here in America, and I'm not sure if it's around the world, but I'm guessing it is a very high-end brand called Les Occitans de Provence. It's French, I believe, and they sell all sorts of beauty products. Now, the unfortunate thing about big brands is they tend to not pay very good commissions in their affiliate program. 2.5% is all you can expect to earn with the Les Occitans de Provence affiliate program. Again, they have very high-end, very respectable products. It'll be pretty cool to say you're working with Les Occitans de Provence as a marketer, but you're not going to make a lot of money doing so. Sephora is a well-known makeup brand, and they'll pay up to 6% commissions for recommending their products. Now, if you're an influencer, if you have an Instagram channel or a YouTube channel about putting on makeup, this might be a good decision for you to promote their programs. You can earn some money, 6% cash. But again, Sephora is going to be making the bulk of the profits, and for your hard work marketing, generally speaking, you want to get better commissions than that. But this is still a great option if you are a beauty blogger or vlogger to make money with and promote some of the best brands around. Avon is a well-known brand, and they will also pay 6% commissions to affiliates to promote their products online. So again, you have 2 great options of brands to promote their affiliate programs with and make some money. Now, Amazon is not all that much better. They pay between 5 to 10%, but what's great about Amazon is that they have millions and millions of products that you can choose from. And if you're a beauty blogger with a very big following, you can literally choose any product you like and make a really good deal of money promoting it on your blog, your vlog, your Instagram, whatever. Just very easy to grab Amazon affiliate links. I found their affiliate program is great because they make it so easy to generate your link, and they have so many products. You can really be successful in any niche you want on the entire internet with their program. So this is probably the program I'm the biggest fan of. And also, look, they pay up to 10% commissions. So that's better than all of these guys. So Above All Offers, it's a CPA network. It's an affiliate network that has a number of beauty products on it, and they pay anywhere from $35 to $240 per sale. So what's nice about this program is even no matter what somebody buys, you're going to make a good deal of money, and you can choose which product you promote. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer and you're going to be promoting products through paid advertising, this is your best bet, Above All Offers, because these are going to be the most split-tested, highest conversion products you can promote. But Above All Offers is only looking to work with experienced affiliates who are not going to bug their affiliate manager. Again, they only make money if you make money, and they are not a training company. So if you want advice, if you don't know how to promote your affiliate links, don't join Above All Offers. If you want training on affiliate marketing, make sure to either subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to get updated about future videos, or join my training course. There should be a link in the description. I have a 6-week training course on how to be an affiliate marketer where you could learn more.